Good morning, this is Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Here to show you a 2024 Ford F550 switch and go that we custom built right here at our facility. We'll take you for a little walk around. It was upfitted, like I said, with the 12-foot switch and go system. It also has the Roll-Rite electric Tarp system, which is probably the best Tarp system on the market. You can work it by remote. You can also work it by hand. As you walk around the back of this truck, you'll see it has a swinging back door, rear door, trailer brake package, and on the other side, you have a 36-inch Buyers stainless steel toolbox. I'm going to take you now to the inside to show you some of the features. So this truck was upgraded with a snowplow prep package, a high-capacity trailer tow package. It also has the chrome package, and you'll notice in the center of the dash it has a rear view camera and prep kit. Engine block heater, platform running boards, and a 26.5 gallon fuel tank. It also comes with the Power Stroke V8 diesel engine, which is a 10-speed transmission attached to it. All the new Fords come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time and watching my video. I also forgot to mention that the Switch and Go is now giving a $1,000 rebate right back to the customer up until May of 2025. Hope you guys have a very happy new year.